So, welcome. This video is to show you how to proceed with your planner all the way to the point where you get it finished and are ready to submit it. First thing you'll need to do is find the planner assignment, right? So if you're on Classroom and you're in the stream, you can find it here in the stream. It's still pretty close to the top, but as we add things, it's going to go farther down, right? So you could click here or go here into classwork and look for the assignment under the heading of connecting. That's where you'll see it there. Now, once you click that, you can scroll up and down inside this little window to view everything, and you'll find the one with your name on it here. Or you could click view, which should take you to the assignment page. Instructions. There should be a your work box here where you could add to, or you could open the one with your name on it. The one with your name on it is the way to go. And that's where we begin, right? And then you still got the demo here, which you should also open, I think, to compare to. So let's look at that. Let's say you open the demo, which is here. This is how yours should look when you're finished, all right? And it needs to be finished by whatever deadline due date is on the assignment page for the current trimester. Notice there are no yellow blanks left over. Everything is nice and evenly spaced. Everything is uniformly organized and spaced out. There is a variety of different artists or movements in the 8th grade case that you have to choose from. So I want a variety in your actual questions. However, remember that on these topics that are in green, you could pick the same topic for all of them if you choose. So how do you get this done? Well, there are a couple ways. You could copy directly from this document. You could take this entire thing and say, that's what I want to do for mine. Copy, and then you could paste right here. Just select that whole thing and replace it with that. The other method is you could take a theme question from the planner here, and you would triple click 1, 2, 3, and you could Control C, and then come here and say, well, triple click this and select the whole thing, and Control V will paste it just like so. And then I'd hit backspace a few times to get rid of the extra space, like so. And you're good to go. Okay, that's another option. Once you have one in place, then you could take that same one and you could put it in all of them and just go back and replace the name of the artist that you chose, or in 8th grade case, the name of the movement. And that's how this would look. If I do that again, I just hold Control and punch V for paste, and you see it'll replace it with the same one. But what if you want to change race? You don't like that racism topic and you want to go with something else? Well, it's a matter of going down to page 2 and double clicking the one that you want. So let's say peace, for example. Double click, then copy, then scroll on up, double click your topic, and paste. And the reason you double click is because you want it to replace what's there. Now, the slower method that's more precise and will get you exactly what you want is this. Let's say you scroll down and you want to craft your own, okay? Notice that all of these names are hyperlinks. You want to preserve the hyperlink. So in this event, what you would do is you would just make a choice. So I'm going to double click Seurat, 1, 2. And what it does is select, and then I'm going to Control C for copy. This is a really important step here. If you're doing it this way, you want to double click the blank, 1, 2. You see it selects the entire thing. And then you Control V for paste, and it'll replace it for you. This means you don't have to go back and delete anything because it's already formatted properly. All you have to do is double click to select it. And it's the same with the topic. So let's say you feel strongly about bullying. You can double click the name or the word, copy, Control C, then double click the blank. Doesn't matter how big it is, and then Control V. It replaces it beautifully. And this is a well-spaced theme. Then triple click, 1, 2, 3. Hold down Control and punch C for copy, both hands or one hand, whatever. You can scroll up and say, I'm going to change this one, or I'm going to 1, 2, 3, collect this one and Control V for paste. And then hit backspace just a few times, again, to get rid of the extra spacing there. Like so. And even if there's no space between them, that's fine. As long as your theme question is worded exactly this way, with your choice of your artist and your choice of your topic in place. And guys, that takes care of the themes. If you want to know how to do the share group, I have a video for that right here, how to vid, and you click that and watch that. It'll walk you through the steps of how to do your share group in that box. Guys, thanks so much and have fun, and we'll see you soon.